Holy macaroni. We'll scroll through. Air filter, replace. We'll just hold down the What's up, guys? Today we're going to be changing the air filter in a 2022 Chevy 2500 with the Duramax 6.6 liter diesel. Woo! Alright, so you're going to want to take the screws out. Keep your screws in a safe spot. All right, and you can see there's a screw here, right there, there, right here, and then right here. It's gonna be our last screw. So go ahead and get that guy. Don't drop the screw down. You loosen up the clamp on the boot. There. Then your mass airflow sensor has a little locking tab here. Just push that tab back, and then you're gonna press. I like to go in a little bit and then press down on this black tab. Like that, and then pull it off. All right, and then slide the boot off, and then the top of the box should be able to come out. And look at that. Holy macaroni. Look at that difference. Holy smokes. All right. And you can see there's a bunch of leaves and dust and dirt in the box there. I'm just going to grab a shop vac. Alright, grab our new filter. And you just want to make sure, it's important that the filter makes a seal. Alright. We'll put our air box back on. Slide it into that boot. Make sure our boot's on there all the way. I always take my fingers and then just slide underneath and make sure that boot's on all the way. It's just going to be reverse what it was. You hear that click, and then lock it into place. I like to get everything started by hand. Oh, I can't really turn that, so put a screwdriver on there. You want to make sure that the box is in the right position and it's symmetrical as you're tightening down the screws. And don't tighten. Well, I usually try to snug them to hold the box in place. And once they're all just kind of snug down, then I'll go around and tighten them. That way the box isn't going to be kittywampus. It'll be on there the right way. Shoot. Don't do that. And once the screws are snug down and that box is in the, and you can just tighten them. You just tighten them by hand. Let's go a little more and snug. All right, there you have it. Then we're gonna go through right here. We'll hit the eye right there. We'll scroll through, air filter, replace. We'll just hold down the our scroller right there and reset it to 100. And there you have it. Hey, thanks for watching, guys. That is how we replace the air filter on 2022 6.6 liter Duramax. Take care.